Hi, I'm Michael Lang with Nexel Academy. Welcome to this video series on Git. Today we're going to continue talking about merging. In the prior video we talked about branching and how to do commits on those branches and look at the differences and push and pull those commits to the server and back to our machines. Now we're going to resolve some merges when we're done working on a feature branch. So let's look at that. We've got our repository here, we initialized it, we had some mainline development. We created our feature branch to do some development work on. And meanwhile, while we were doing that, somebody did a commit on the master branch that was very likely a production bug fix or a small documentation tweak or something. But we need to make sure that our branch is ready before we merge it into master. So before we do that, we want to make sure all these changes from master into our branch will work properly. So what you want to do for that is merge from the master branch into the feature branch. So we're going to do there, we're going to switch to this branch first, we're going to get the latest. Then we're going to switch back to our feature branch, get the latest. And by get the latest I mean pull. Okay, so now we're on this branch, we have the latest of the other branch as well on our machine. Now we're going to do, from this command, we're going to do a merge operation from this branch. So we'll merge this branch into this one. And when we do that, it's going to stage a commit. It doesn't actually do the commit, because you might want to review it. There might be some discrepancies to resolve. There might be some merge conflicts, in other words. So you will need to commit that change once you've resolved any discrepancies that there might be. Okay, and now you have merged master branch into your feature branch. Now once this is done, you want to test that, make sure the app still works, to make sure anything that was merged in does not cause a problem, and then you're ready to merge that into your master branch. So now this will contain the exact code that will end up on the master branch, so it's a no-risk situation. You just do your merge, bring it over, it'll stage a commit, and it's up to you to actually commit those staged changes. And then now that commit is now in master. Now in order to do that merge, you'd have to switch over to master, and then you do the merge from your feature into master. Okay. So if you scroll down in the lesson content, you'll see the actual directions on the command line or in visually in VS Code. Either way you want to do that, you can do both of those by following the courseware directions below. If you're not on the courseware right now, just go to nexelacademy.com/courseware and then just click on the Git course and scroll down to the branching lesson to see all the details.